Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to make a playlist on Mack app on your device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So creating a playlist on Mack allows you to curate and organize your favorite tracks for easy access and sharing. Here's how you can create a playlist. So open the app Mack. Now after opening the app Mack, you can play any kind of songs you want, like of individual, like I have chosen the song of Billie Eilish. Now here are the many songs of Billie Eilish. Now if I go to the random songs of her, click on the option like her song of option like this, and now the song will be played on a device of Billie Eilish or whichever artist songs you want to listen. Now to add in playlist, click on the option like playlist. This is how you can just click on the option playlist, and here you can see the various options over like playlist, more, download, share and many more. If you like the song, you can just go to the option like and tap on it, and the song will be liked by you. And now to add on playlist, click on the option playlist, which is at the side of like option. Click on this option playlist, and now here I have already created a playlist. Or if you want to create a new playlist account, here you can see option create new playlist, so that you won't face like where the song is located, or your playlist also will be organized and the tracks will be easy to access for you. So click on the option create new playlist, and from which name you want to know this song, or from which name you want to recognize your playlist, click on the option Billie. Now whichever name you want to enter, you can enter it according to your choice. From my choice, I will save it on my playlist by the artist name itself, Billie. So now click on the option create new playlist. This is how your playlist will be created on your Mack app. So now to visit your playlist on your device on Mack, you just need to go to your library, which is at the very bottom right of this page. Go to the option my library and see here you can see your option playlist. Click on the option playlist. Now you can find your playlist songs on Mack device. So that's how you can just add a song, or you can make a playlist on Mack app on a device. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.